Today I'm teaching you how to buy Tether. So first of all, you're going to want to make sure you have a Coinbase account and you have verified your identity on the Coinbase account, as it could stop you from buying cryptocurrencies. The second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you have a payment method. Don't worry if you don't have one. All you have to do is press pay with and then hit add payment method and choose either one of these. Once you have that set up and you put money into your Coinbase account, it just show up something like this. Now you're ready for the next step. Go to the top right and hit the search bar and type in Tether. Make sure it's one of the top ones. As you can see, this one is ranked number 4 and it says USDT. This is exactly the one you're going to want. Go ahead and click that. And then here you can see the entire Tether chart. And so what you're going to want to do here is connect your Coinbase wallet. Don't worry if you don't have one, you can just create one and that's how you buy it. It's no different to buying any other cryptocurrency. You simply just hit buy, select the amount that you want to do, and review order, and then press buy. I hope this helped, and if it did, consider subscribing.